In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the Venmo for Teens account and give you a comprehensive review. If you're thinking about setting up an account for your teen or wondering whether this option is the right fit for your family, you'll want to keep watching. The Venmo Teen account offers a fresh take on managing finances for teenagers without any monthly fees or minimums, making it affordable for parents. What makes it particularly appealing is the ease with which parents can transfer funds directly from their own Venmo accounts. This integrated transfer system ensures that money can move quickly and seamlessly, giving teenagers easy access to their funds when they need them. However, it's important to note that while the setup is free and convenient, the account does have some limits on spending and withdrawals, which is something to bear in mind. These restrictions are designed to help teach teens how to manage their money responsibly. However, they can also be a bit limiting if more flexibility is needed, especially during emergencies or unexpected situations. While Venmo for Teens checks a lot of important boxes for parents and guardians, it does fall short in a few areas compared to other kids' banking apps. For instance, the lack of advanced savings tools might be seen as a drawback for those looking to instill the importance of saving from an early age. Additionally, the absence of built-in financial education resources such as tutorials or interactive elements to help guide teens on their financial journey means parents might need to supplement this learning themselves. Also noteworthy is the functionality of the Venmo Teen debit card. While it provides basic freedom for teens to spend their money, its utility can seem limited when compared to other options on the market that offer additional features such as personalized card designs or cashback for purchases. This might not be a deal breaker for some, but it's certainly something to think about if maximizing financial tools for your teen is a priority. Overall, the Venmo for Teens account serves as a straightforward introduction to managing money, ideal for parents seeking a low-cost and direct way to provide their teenagers with financial autonomy. It captures the essence of practicality with its user-friendly design, but might require some supplementary elements to round out a young person's financial education and savings strategy. As always, it's a good idea to thoroughly consider what features are most important for your family's needs and take a look at what other teen-focused financial tools are available out there. With the information shared today, I hope you have a clearer picture of what the Venmo Teen account offers and whether it's the right choice for you. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on family finance solutions.